Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So today's vlog is about my birthday. So your girl is turning 20 years old. Yeah, this bonnet the all over my face, but I'm just wake up so I don't understand what I'm going. So your girl is turning 20 years old. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to feel. It's just mad crazy. I did a part 1 video of the celebration, the pre-celebration. So this vlog is pre-celebration, the celebration and post-celebration of my birthday. So you know it's gonna be a banger, you know it's gonna be long, you know it's gonna be very energetic, it's gonna be fire, everything. Just like, comment, and subscribe from now, and also share the content to your friend of a friend of a friend of a friend, so everybody can know what's going on over the Teen Chocolate page. You guys can spam the comment section with a happy birthday. This vlog will be uploaded way after my birthday because then I'll be tired and everything, but you can put a happy belated or happy birthday, whatever you guys want to do. So just without further ado, let's continue. Alright, so previously on Dipped in Chocolate's birthday vlog, I was about to go to VR World, but I ended up going to get my nails done this day, and I ended up at the movies. So just continue to watch and like and subscribe because you know it's about to be a very good video. Yeah guys, so I ended up going to a different nail tech than what I was supposed to go to because I couldn't find the location of the first nail tech, but this one is in Clock Tower and she did a really good job. I give her an 8 out of 10. So guys, I am at Sabrina now. I am going to watch a movie, so let's go. Yes, I'm finna watch this movie, The Equalizer 3. So guys, I'm gonna do my nails, so I'm gonna go on fancy in a day camera. So let's see what is going on. Yeah, and I'll give a review on the movie. I'll tell you what I'm eating and everything. Yeah. No, this is really marketing.
Everybody can't see it.
So guys, this is the next day. This is a wig that I had worn before. So I wanted to dye it in red. The roots were already burgundy, so then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna dye this one in red and you know see what I can do with it. So first I combed it out, and then I boiled some water. I got my red dye, and then I put the red dye in the water, mix it around, and dip my wig several times and just let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then the color came out perfectly. But before I put it in the dye, I sprayed the unit's lace with some got to be glue frizz spray. So just continue watching. Hey my chocolate babies, so I am home. I am fine. The show, I'd give the show a 10 out of 10. Let me tell you, you see Denzel Washington, he ate and he left no crumbs. My nails, my beauty, the tin chocolate. So why may I introduce myself back to Uno like say Uno no wagwan. Anyways, my hair is drying. I love the color. It's just giving me I'll be making a list, and I'm going to town right now to try to get something for my birthday. Because my birthday is Monday. My birthday's Monday. I don't know how to act. My birthday's Monday. I'm trying to write a list. I need balloon, I need cake, I need aesthetics, I need beauty, I need perfection. So guys, let's go. Hey guys, we are in Megamart. We're trying to find a cake for the tin chocolates. So I don't know what I want to put on it, because you know I could put it's the tin chocolate's birthday, or hey 20 or something, or Mac turns 20, or Mac is I don't know. But I'm thinking about a small cake, nothing too big. Nothing too big. This is small and nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me show you again. It's a cost for me.
This one they're kind of big, but
What is a tree? But it's the same. It's the same cost, but that is bigger. Don't play with me. Red. Oh my god! I can't believe I'm going to the 20. Like that is ridiculous. So I got the 2. No zero. But I'm gonna keep the 2 though. Right guys, so I got a pink Moscato and my 2, and I'm gonna get the cake right now and get the writing on it, and we're going to do our thing.
yeah, comfy on it.
God, oh fuck. So guys, she didn't put the E or the apostrophe, but we get the vibe. You're 20, we get the vibe. Yeah. So yes guys, I came from Mega Mart. I know saying that the night the road have to take on. So this is Saturday night. And me and my girls were gonna be outside, just at Believe. So we went to Hundreds to go get some cocktails and you know, some vibes. So just come with us and vibe with us.
Check one.
Where am I going with? Sex on the beach. This is a vibe though, guys.
Testing 1, 3. Celebration, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, go to jail. No, the DJ.
Just how much we love you.
Celebration, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Used to be. Sometimes I wish I could turn back time.
Do something to me that I can't. How will I know if he really loves me? I say with every heartbeat.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. All right, now we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Cha cha, real slow. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps.
So guys, we're leaving because we're so tired. So,
Okay guys, so this is October the 15th. It's the day before my birthday. So I've been doing a lot of things today. So today will be kind of vibe. Last night I went to 100. Yeah, you're going to hear things popping because I'm cooking breakfast. So today's gonna be a vibe. So you guys will sit back, relax, and watch what's going on.
Look at my view in my backyard though. It's pretty. Even though it's not much, but it's really pretty.
At my doorsteps, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. They're singing, this is a message to you. This is a message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
Guys, so this is like way after. Yeah, my head has scratched me. Maybe my head never scratched me. That's just because I'm so stressed. So my nails broke. I'm gonna glue it on back. You say it look dysfunctional? Yeah, glue it on back. And I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. No, it's not my birthday photo shoot. It's actually for a business. So I'm going to just do that photo shoot. Just come back and relax for later. My girls are here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to introduce it to them so y'all know the gang, right? So give me a minute and I'll be right back with you. Hey Hey guys, so me are the only one that pink, everybody else not green. Trishana in the green, Anna in the green, Lily in the green. But we could not sleep on the move the labor itself from me. Watch him. Wanna look nice though. So guys, this is my OOTD. You know we're looking fly as usual. Let me see, one chain. Yeah, we'll angle that, man. We'll angle that. So I'm super duper excited. The person I text my phone, I call my phone. I don't answer because we're late. So we have to do is hurry up. Yeah.
Yeah. Come, baby.
Alright, sexy as you watching Butty.
One got alright, you can do the middle split. You split in the middle of the front.
Why am I feeling so mega shed tears of joy tomorrow? I just got a call from one of my friends and they were like, what shape cake do you want? Him not even say, him just say, what shape cake do you want? I'm say, round. Him say, what flavor? I'm say, chocolate. And I'm like, he's like, okay. Like I said, when I have good people in your life, I feel like I'm gonna cry tomorrow because my friends have been so good to me. Under construction, Dr. Maya.
Oh, now what? No, sir. Sucker salt. No, bad chef, bad chef, bad chef. Bad chef, no. How is this?
We're not wanting that. We live fancy.
What was that girl coconut shrimp?
With 50 shades darker.
Guys, after all of the bangarang, after all of the excitement, yes, we are going outside to ring in my birthday. Well. Come on, come here.
Music loud and some strong in my cup. Heart fucked up cause I've been hurt too much. Money in your soul, love's not enough. I wish you the best of it.
Me love it. Attention,
Guys, we are outside of Mecca, and let me tell you, my angle triangle, some girls them outside, family them outside, but on a day, we're outside. So guys, I'm just so appreciative that I get to see 20. This is just incredible that I get to, see 20 years of my life. It's just amazing.
morning, guys. What's popping? What's going on? So, last night I went to Mecca with my girlfriends and we were just chilling. It was a vibe. The DJ angled himself. It was good. I can't complain. I honestly can't complain. So right now I'm going to go to my hair appointment, my makeup appointment. It's like, my appointment is like 11 o'clock. And it's now 9. Appointment is with my girl, Sanika. I'll be seeing her when I get there. I'm gonna take an in drive, go to like Archie, and I'm gonna just get some money because I'm broke cash wise. I don't have no cash. So after that, I'm just gonna get my hair and my makeup done. When I come back home, I'm gonna do a little photo thing on my bed. Where me I go, you know, take some picture of my cake. I have a cake for pick up also because my friend bought me a cake. So it's just a old vibe though. I'm so happy that, you know, I get to see myself 20. I get to see my 20th birthday. I get to, you know, celebrate it with my friends, and it's just amazing how much love and how much support that I have. My support background is very strong, and I just want to convey my sincere gratitude to everybody who has just been continually supporting and just motivating Dipped in Chocolate, and also the little share I want to give on the video, the little like, the little comment, I see them and I am so appreciative. So guys, just go on, you know, continue to do what I do, continue to share to your friend. Yeah, because I'm just honestly grateful. It's just wonderful to just, you know, experience a birthday, because, you know, you always hear people that say enough people never wake up to see today and this and that, and we take it for granted. And when your birthday come, is a time to basically reflect on your past years, to say, I did a lot of things when I was 19. I think 2023 was a very good year for me. I did a lot of things that were on my bucket list. I just accomplished a lot. I did a big deal this year, so I just hope that this year continue to be very good for Dipped in Chocolate. And I also want you guys to just continue showing your love and your support, because I see them and I try my best to upload and to interact with you guys in the comment section, or whenever I see you guys on the road and you guys call to me. I try my best to interact as much as possible and just show my appreciation and my love also, because I feel the love and appreciation from you guys. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm nervous plus I'm sleepy, because last night we had a time last night. So guys, I'm just gonna continue getting ready and, I know, build a vibe, right? So let's go.
Say, Kiki deal with me, man. Kiki deal with me. I said, Kiki never there for go on, so. Yeah, angle me.
Chocolate, happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you. Alright. Why if you're alone for the last one?
So guys, this is me after I get my hair done, and then after I get my makeup done at Chinex Combs on IG. So my makeup artist and my hairstylist is the same person, so she ate. So guys, after I get my hair and my makeup done, I got to drive to go home, and then when I went home, I set up all of my gifts and everything that I got from my friends and my family. And, you know, I just want to convey my sincere gratitude to everybody who, you know, took the time out to buy me a gift, took the time out to say happy birthday. It was just so wonderful, you know. So this is me sitting down on the bed like Ariel sitting down on a rock. Just being appreciative of my gifts. I got everything that I wanted. And it was just so amazing. And guys, guess what? More gifts are coming. More gifts are come. Yeah, guys, so after I got my hair, my makeup done, I opened my presents and, you know, all of the bangarang. You know, it's time for me to get ready for my birthday dinner. This is my outfit. And you guys can see that red is the vibe. And yeah, we just enjoy ourselves the night. So continue watching. Alright guys, so this is me blowing away 19 and welcoming 20 years old. So you guys going to join me while I sing myself happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear dipped in chocolate. Happy birthday to you.
Shrimp pasta. Give me that.
Thank you. This is me. Sauvignon Blanc. And another one.
Classic Martini.
And American sauce. Teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
One for me. Oh.
Chicken spring roll and other.
Big one. Big size bigger than the original.
Come like that picture. If you look innocent, look everybody. Man, just
So guys, yeah, so guys, we go I better we stay I sitting there and go and wait. Yeah. No, tired along there. So guys, we come at 100, so we're gonna have a drink and just vibe. 100's bar closed. So we're just there, my beautiful self. And to be honest, I'm not even upset about it. So we just walk up and down and go and chill. We soon get a call. We soon call. Eh? I'm not gonna school tomorrow.
Soft lips, yeah, you know word of mouth.
So hey guys, so this is the day after my birthday. I'm now heading to get my packages.
So I'm showing you the other gifts, and then I'm just gonna close off the vlog. This year different from last year. This year I did a lot of things than last year. To compare this year with last year, I think they're on the same level. I turned 20 and now I don't even know how to act, because now I'm actually big man. So I figure, well, I've been a big man, I've been a behave like my big man, I've been at the big man things. So this is nothing, because from your how much a year old, and me I do it, and nobody else, and a friend and a family, and me I do it. I've been a do it, you understand? So just to officially know that you're in adulthood is just mad crazy. But guys, I'm gonna just go do this, and then after talk to you about some changes and some things I want to get accomplished someday. So I'm going to Quick Ship, guys, my favorite place. Period. So guys, what's going on? I'm there. Open up gifts. Give me a knife, baby. I'm gonna cut this. Whoa! The people in Pandora me. No sir. Them angle me. See your phone here, baby. Or you pull this. So guys, I was so excited to open my gifts. I got my pink Crocs that I always wanted. So thank you to my friends who, show up and show out. Yeah, my girlfriend got me a Pandora bracelet, so I'm now a Pandora girly. Yeah, man. So them angle me this year. Man, now I got everything that I wanted. So I'm just so appreciative yet again to have friends that look out for me and who have me as a priority to say that, oh, Michaela wants this, so Michaela gonna get this. Yeah, so yeah, it felt really good this year. Yeah, but say people, look how much Pandora could have fit my thing, put my hand. No sir, me don't know when I go buy size how much for me know so my hand big. I don't know how I say so, but it was really nice. So thank you to my friend who got me this. So period poo. Yes, guys. So this is like 101 days after my birthday. I'm just lying. This is like a week after my birthday. So that's why the ear gone. But my nails still intact. So big up my nail tech. Anyways, guys, I am so happy that we have reached the end. If you guys have reached the end, please leave a like and comment. Say, hey, I reached the end. I have arrived. Say, come here, comment and say, I have arrived. And then I'll just understand that you watched the video to the end. I have arrived, okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a Great Green Chocolate uploads another video. And I'm so happy that this is my second year doing a birthday vlog. My second year? No, my third year doing a birthday vlog. So this is consistency. Yeah. But I'm so excited because while I was editing this video, I just see I was just so happy throughout the whole vlog, and that's so good. I never cried for my birthday. I was upset for some minor things, but I never cried. On your birthday, sometimes we as women, we get a little bit emotional because some things not go right for we. But I never cried for this birthday. So I'm just really appreciative to God that this birthday actually turned out good. I did a lot of things for this birthday, guys. I've been celebrating my birthday from I come Jamaica in September. For real, I've been celebrating just me being here. So I'm exhausted. I'm tired. So I'm gonna rest now. But thank you guys so much for watching. But the Hot Girl season done. And Dipsy Chocolate are gonna rest for next year, October. Bye.